Welcome to Driven Daily, your destination for the latest in automotive excellence. Today, we're diving into the sleek and sophisticated Range Rover Evoque, a compact luxury SUV that blends high-end design with impressive performance. Design and aesthetics. The Evoque stands out with its refined, coupe-like silhouette, flush door handles, and slim LED headlights. Land Rover's commitment to minimalist luxury is evident in every angle. Whether you're cruising through the city or parked in your driveway, the Evoque exudes style and modern elegance. Interior and comfort. Step inside, and the Evoque welcomes you with premium materials, ambient lighting, and a clean, high-tech dashboard. The dual touchscreen setup, comfortable seating, and ample cargo space make it a practical choice without compromising on luxury. Noise insulation is top-notch, offering a serene cabin experience. Performance and driving experience. Under the hood, the Evoque offers turbocharged engines paired with a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission. It's not just about looks. The Evoque handles confidently with all-wheel drive and terrain response too, making it capable both on and off the road. Whether navigating tight city streets or rural paths, it delivers a refined and controlled ride. Technology and features. Packed with tech, the Evoque includes the latest Pivi Pro infotainment system, smartphone integration, wireless charging, and a 360-degree camera. Advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and emergency braking ensure safety is a priority. Final thoughts. The Range Rover Evoque is more than a fashion-forward SUV. It brings a blend of luxury, capability, and technology in a compact package. For drivers seeking style without sacrificing substance, the Evoque remains a standout choice in its class. Thanks for watching Driven Daily. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reviews and insights on the world's best rides.